Hello dear CU students, alumni, faculty, staff, friends and everybody who's watching this video. My name is Medina and I'm a proud graduate of Gender Studies Department. I was also an alumni scholarship recipient during my academic year of 2011 and 2012. And before anything else, I would like to personally thank all the donors who made my and 19 other students' experience in CU brighter. And secondly, I would like to talk basically about two things. Why I totally hated alumni scholarship and how I fell in love with it for the rest of my life. First of all, as much excited as I was about receiving additional funds, I was a bit less less excited about the second part, which was the requirement sort of to pay off to the CU community by extracurricular activities in a certain number of hours. And you know, I had intense studies, I had part-time work, and I had to fit in these hours somewhere as well. So I thought, I mean, I was sort of pushed into doing something that I really would enjoy, or otherwise it would be total nightmare. So it was very hard, but I started success coaching workshops that I would not otherwise have started because I was afraid. I thought I don't have enough energy, I don't have enough expertise, and so on. I mean, I had all the excuses not to start it, but this time I was really, I'm so glad that even though it was very challenging, I still started it, and later I transformed it into the student club, which was called Say Yes to Success. So I'm absolutely happy about it, and I'm very thankful that through this hard way I actually learned the joy of giving, because after I paid off my hours, I realized I cannot stop anymore. So I continued the regular meetings and workshops of the club. The information on this you can find more on the link below. But even more than that, it shifted my mindset into from thinking about what I lack into what I have, because once you give, you really get re-energized by thinking of what you have. So I really once again I would like to thank all the donors, and I would invite all the viewers to visit the another link below, where you can read about the scholarship, and maybe you can donate any number of money, any amount of money that you feel comfortable with. It might transform somebody's life like it did mine, or it just can make you feel good. I don't know, try it. And thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.